It kills all pests in 5 seconds. You will need a jug or another container. Pour a liter of water into it. Take regular flour from the kitchen cabinet and add 1 tablespoon to the water. Then add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Mix everything thoroughly so that the flour dissolves and doesn't form lumps. Next, using a funnel, pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Apply the spray after sunset. Use it regularly on flowers. This will help control pests and protect the plants from their damage. You can use it on succulents, flowering plants, or regular houseplants. It combats various pests, such as aphids or spider mites. When mixed with water and dish soap, the flour creates a sticky layer that settles on insects, making it difficult for them to move and breathe. This method works naturally and safely, minimizing the risk of plant damage and reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Put a bay leaf on the window. Your problem will disappear instantly. Bay leaves aren't just a popular spice that adds flavor and aroma to many dishes. While we mostly associate them with cooking, they also have other, lesser-known uses. It turns out they can effectively help with a very common problem in your home. Spring has arrived, the days are getting warmer, and we're opening windows more often to let in fresh air. Place bay leaves along window frames or on the windowsill. You can adjust the number of leaves depending on how strong you want the scent to be. This method keeps flies away from your home. These insects can't stand the strong smell of bay leaves. It irritates them. It's a simple, effective, and natural way to get rid of flies without using chemical insecticides. Put a ball of aluminum foil like this in your home. You'll quickly get rid of ants, moths, spiders, and cockroaches. You'll be surprised by what's hidden inside this ball. Just place it in different spots. Thanks to it, your problems with bugs and insects will disappear in seconds. So grab some aluminum foil and do what I do step by step. Tear off or cut a piece of aluminum foil with scissors. Get some sugar. This treat attracts ants, flies, and cockroaches. Pour 2 tablespoons of sugar into a small bowl. Add 1 heaping tablespoon of toothpaste. Every toothpaste has ingredients insects don't like. That's why toothpaste is often used to fight and repel all kinds of bugs. Add a little citrus peel. It can be grated lemon, lime, or orange peel. Mix everything together. Scoop some onto the aluminum foil and wrap it into a ball. Use a toothpick to poke holes in it all over. This will work on ants, cockroaches, and moths. Place these balls in different corners, especially in the kitchen and bathroom. Put them in cabinets, too. You won't see ants or moths anymore. I'm sure you'll love this simple trick. Pour the vinegar into the mint. This combination has an unexpected use. Start by preparing a glass container. Add 1 tablespoon of dried mint. Thanks to its strong scent, mint is a natural repellent. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Pour in 300 milliliters of hot water, stir and let it cool. Then, prepare a second glass container and a strainer with cheesecloth. Strain the mint infusion and add 200 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar has strong disinfecting properties and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Moreover, its sharp scent repels pests. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle, which makes it easy to apply. This homemade remedy works as a protective shield against mice, rats, cockroaches, ants, and other insects. Just spray it where pests appear or where they may enter the house. It's a simple yet extremely effective solution that can be used both indoors and outdoors. Spray your windows with this. No more flies inside. This is hands down the best trick for keeping flies away. I mix just 2 ingredients with water and spray it around my window and door frames. This natural repellent keeps flies from sneaking into your home. And it works on mosquitoes and ticks too. You only need 3 simple ingredients, and you probably already have them at home. No need to buy expensive chemical sprays anymore. This DIY solution takes just a minute to make and it actually works. Grab a pitcher and a spray bottle. Pour in 200 milliliters, about 3/4 cup, of water, then add 200 milliliters of vinegar. White or apple cider vinegar both work great. Stir it well. Now take your essential oil. Add about 40 drops. Peppermint, lavender, eucalyptus, or tea tree oil all do the job. Stir again. Pour the mix into your spray bottle. Spray it around your window frames, door frames, and if you have a patio door, spray that too. For even better protection, lightly mist your curtains. Thanks to this spray, you can enjoy a bug-free home all spring and summer. No more buzzing in your ears. These balls will save your home. Start with some aluminum foil. Most people associate it with food storage, but it has so many other uses. Tear off a larger piece of foil. Now grab some ground coffee. Its strong smell is a natural repellent. Add 1 tablespoon of coffee. Next, add ground black pepper. It contains piperine, which has an irritating effect. Add 1 tablespoon of pepper to the coffee. The next ingredient is a bay leaf, a natural insect repellent. Take 1 leaf, break it into smaller pieces, and add it to the mix. Fold the foil into a ball, making sure it's sealed tightly. Use a toothpick to poke small holes all over the ball. This allows the scent to release slowly. Place the finished ball near balcony windows to get rid of ants and other insects. It also works great on kitchen counters where bugs tend to show up. Pop one into your wardrobe, too. It'll protect your clothes from moths and leave a fresh scent behind. It's a simple, all-natural way to kick out unwanted guests from your home. Definitely give it a try. Pour oil over coffee. A friend shared this recipe with me, and the results are truly surprising. Take a large container and add 3 teaspoons of ground coffee. It has amazing properties you probably didn't know about. Pour in 500 milliliters of water and mix well. Pour the mixture into a deep plate. Now, pour a thin layer of oil over the surface so that it floats above the coffee mixture. Take a regular bottle cap. You probably didn't know it has another use. Use a soldering iron to make a hole in the center of the cap. Quick and easy. Take a piece of string and make a loop in the middle. Thread one end of the string through the hole in the cap. Then place the cap in the center of the deep dish. Finally, light the other end of the string. Done. Your homemade lantern will repel mosquitoes and make summer evenings much more pleasant. Try this trick and enjoy peaceful nights.